Before we do the big reveal, mag-recap muna tayo from items 10 to 2.
At number 10, car selfie. 9, I'm drunk or I'm on drugs selfie. 8, just woke up or sleeping selfie. 7, hospital or sick selfie. 6, gym selfie. 5, duck face selfie. 4, almost naked, shirtless, cleavage, plunging, bearing selfie. 3, disaster selfie. And 2, bathroom selfie.
And at number 1, ang nanguna ang pinaka-controversial selfies is... Why, people? The funeral selfie.
Netizens, especially the younger set, are now taking selfies to a whole new level of insensitivity and inappropriateness by taking a funeral selfie. Or a self-portrait taken during funeral rites, sometimes even with the actual corpse in the background.
Hindi lang siya annoying, disrespectful din siya dun sa patay na nasa likod. Kasi syempre, di ba, nandun ka para to pay your respects. Siguro naman yung iba gusto lang nila na parang i-honor yung memory ng tao. Pero isipin mo din yung mga nakapaligid, yung family nung deceased.
Annoying kasi hindi niya tinitake into consideration yung sensitivities ng ibang taong naandun. Maaring sa kanya nakakatuwa, pero baka dun sa mga kamag-anakan, parang ano ba yan? Walang respeto sa patay.
Sa periodiko nga, bawal kunan, hindi ba? Bawal kunan ng mga patay, mga bangkay, hindi ba?
Recently, a funeral selfie became controversial in social media. You know what I'm talking about.
President Obama himself was seen snapping a selfie with the Danish and Prime Ministers during Nelson Mandela's memorial service.
So, when will it be okay to take a funeral selfie? Never.
Tanggalin natin yung masamang judgment. Baka yung iba nag-selfie para ipakita sa mga kamag-anakan nila na hindi nakadalaw kasi nasa abroad. So kukunan nila yung bangkay kasama nila para ipakita. Pero pag ganun siguro, baka yung bangkay na lang.
To record the moment. It has become part of modern life, of contemporary life, that you record every moment. But there are certain moments that are recorded in memory alone, but not for the world to see. I find it appalling. I find it appalling. And I find it so disrespectful for the dead. Siyempre yung dead hindi na makakaprotesta. Kung biglang tumayo yung kinukunan mo na di ba napatay kasama mo, di ba? Mas matatakot ka. Do you think you want that recorded? Di ba? I mean,
proper din naman siguro yung dating mo doon sa selfie photo. Hindi yung napaka-solemn nung okasyon, tapos naka-smile, naka-victory sign pa, parang natutuwa ka pa yata at may namatay. So, ito yung dapat na may piliin, ano?
Intentional frown. Yung sad ako. Ganon. Hindi siya. Yun kasi yung problema sa selfie eh. Alam ng tao na ikaw yung may hawak ng camera. So kung ano man yung emotion na pinapakita mo, it looks posed. Kasi ikaw yung nagkiklik mismo eh, hindi ibang tao yung kumukuha candidly.
What a fun episode. There you have it. Our top 10 ang pinaka-controversial selfies. Remember, be cautious when posting and sharing your selfies. The internet, that's forever. This has been your host, Revilson Fernandez. Like us or add us up. Do them both. We have a Facebook, we got a Twitter, we got an Instagram account. We also even have our Friendster account still. Let us know what you think. This is your show. Next week, get your pens and notepads handy as we continue listing down the top 10 of anything and everything that you love. Dito lang sa paboritong lista ng bayan, ang pinaka. Wait, compress. Thank you, 19 million Pinoys.